Good evening, guys. My name is Edinson Romero. I am a student in UNAT University in our course Reverse Logistics Process code number 242008. In our stage number 3, we are going to talk about understand the circular engineering. I'm going to introduce my my group. We have here Ángel, Raúl, Anaya, Kevin Zamorano, Willington Bahamón, Alvarado. So for the step in our guide number number 6, the collaborative session, we're going to talk about the ways or project to work in. So introducing my friend Ángel Raúl Anaya, he's going to talk about energy efficiency and energy saving. So Ángel, go ahead.
Hello, I am Ángel Raúl Anaya. Next, I will explain how I would use the element of circular engineering in the project we are working on. The element is energy efficiency and energy saving. One of the steps will be acquisition of high efficiency equipment, replacement of 40 watts and 36 watts fluorescents by 28 watts as a corrective maintenance activity, which does not represent any investment. Changing the power supply, going from low voltage to medium voltage, which is cheaper. Efficient use of solid waste and use of new technologies. And that will be the use that I would give to the element of circular energy.
Okay, about the topic optimization and reduction in water consumption, I'm going to talk about this topic. It's mine, Edinson Luna. So the circular engineering is a design approach that aims to create closed loop systems where resources are conserved and waste is minimized. To apply the elements of circular engineering in optimizing and reducing water consumption, you can follow these steps. Number 1 is reduce water use. The first step is to identify areas where the water is being used excessively and take steps to reduce the water use. This can be achieved through the installation of water efficient appliances and fixtures, such as low flow shower heads, toilets, and faucets. For the step number 2 is the reuse water. We have to identify opportunities for water reuse. For example, gray water, wastewater from sinks, shower, and washing machines can be treated and reused for non-potable purposes, such as watering plants or flushing toilets, or maybe clean the house. Recycled water is the third step. We have to identify opportunity for water recycling. For example, wastewater can be treated and recycled for industrial processes or irrigation. The fourth step is recovering water. We have to identify opportunities for water recovery. In this step, for example, the rainwater can be collected and used for irrigation or toilet flushing. And the final step is close the loop. by ensuring that all the water is recycled or reused within the system, minimizing the amount of water that is lost to waste. Next is my friend Willington Bahamón. He's going to talk about the topic selective and separate waste collection.
Good afternoon. My name is Willington Bahamón. Selective and exploring waste calling, current on same colleagues in the start, the work bronx, tricks one when apporting in the city ring, in the certif on the what months in the Greeks, student in the Rolls 43-7 in jail 49 2010. Grant the Smith inverti uset and something the burn with the ups in the string words in the prods and the bridge in the start seal in the count the grand gripe frags the four inks strong sail is called ein mon ein stone this wild tom noid ein blond inverti drunks in the sun prods that is will what one going and corring from mountain in pled transport of the swan month and the rose from months the week of the proms in the servit and the as well logic magic in the dress martin in the thing wall proms what in the word promising of excuse in the elim dune sprung for embedding prolongs in crowns green crown in the bronze and the crowns which work in the logic process in scrap t what logic in the result when in place records transforming in rose teacher. Thank you. Next, Kevin.
Okay, finally we have Kevin Zamorano Paez. He's going to talk about the waste reduction and recycling. So Kevin, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Kevin Zamorano. Below, I will explain how I will apply the reduction and recycling of waste. Promote the use of tire depots, return and return systems, reserving the most appropriate as the soil waste collection and treatment problems so that the raw materials is recycled, which is the case with bitters and reducing to manufacture bits for pets. Pain reduces the residues obtained for sale to the show and foundry industry to finally recycle.
Okay, this is the video talking about our projects, talking about how good to use the circular engineering elements in our projects. So thank you so much and see you around.